Hey, good Monday morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. It's pretty short. It's 3 tabs today on my web browser. That means we have a wow, what a forecast is what I'm calling it. We have mild temperatures heading this way to warm temperatures. So let's get to it. And I'm just going to show you the big picture first off because we got 2 questions in this forecast. When's it going to rain next? And how warm is it going to be? Or do we have to deal with any frost? First, I'll let you off the hook. No more frost in this forecast as far as for the next 7 days or so. So here's our model run, and I'll try to kind of help you pick out things. Try to pick out Florida down in the far bottom left of the corner. You see that tightly wound area of isobars. That is Hurricane Teddy. And then we have Tropical Storm Beta. I believe it's still a tropical storm. Tropical Storm Beta there. So let's get to it and put it into motion for you here. And we're into tomorrow, and we're into dry weather. We do have wildfire smoke, another big blob of wildfire smoke heading this way. And that will be here probably today and off and on through the week. So when we're talking warm southwesterly winds, we also have to talk about that being from the same aloft, and that's where the forest fires are too. Karen Greenfield, yes, you will have good weather. We must have hit a record for longest string of sunny days, says Lori. I don't know about a record, but pretty close. That's not a record that's really easily available. So here's Wednesday, and it's beautiful. And here's Thursday, we're still dry. And the remnants of Tropical Storm Beta starting to move up into the Ohio River Valley by late in the week, by Friday. But Friday, we're still at gorgeous weather on a southwesterly wind. Not too ferocious either. Boaters, in fact, I'm going to try to talk my wife and friends into getting some boating in this week, because then it looks like things get stirred up, and I'll show that to you in just a second. So this is Saturday, and still mostly dry. And then Sunday, here comes a cold front. This timing has been very consistent on all of the data that our next rain would be Sunday into Monday and Tuesday of next week. And that one would be the storm system that kind of collapses over the Great Lakes, slows down, starts to circulate the rain showers around, and turns us a lot colder too. And, we're out toward the end of the model run here, and we're looking at October 1st. What I don't like about it is that's an Alberta Clipper coming south, and behind it, colder air. If that pattern establishes itself, then we're done with any long stretch of warm weather after this week. But we do have a stretch of warm weather for this week. Only smoke in the sky keeps us from 80 degrees in a lot of places. This is today in the low 70s. This is tomorrow in the mid 70s. Hey, good morning, Helen Randall. This is Wednesday when some places, Saginaw, Flint, Mount Pleasant, maybe Grand Rapids, Detroit, Ann Arbor, Jackson, maybe everybody gets to about 80 degrees. Thursday, this might be a little too cool, upper 70s. We might be in the low 80s by then. And Friday, we might be in the low 80s. Typically, right ahead of a cold front, we have our warmest temperatures. But typically, the Weather Service doesn't like to forecast a record event out 6 or 7 days. And I understand that. I'm just warning you that the change in the forecast on this would be on the upside to warmer temperatures, although the smoke kind of balances that off and knocks it down, knocks the temperature potential down a couple of degrees. Someone wants to know, any idea when the first snowflakes will fly around the Potterville area? Nicholas Smith. I think it will still be a while, but it could be in the month of October, the way the cold air is shaping up to the north. Flakes, not accumulations, just, cold enough for Oh, was that a snowflake? Now we're into Saturday and we're into Sunday when the cold front is starting to come this way. So the point being is this week is stellar on temperatures, 75 to 83 degrees just everywhere. Hey, Katie Teddy, that's right. Work Skipper Friday. You joined the club. Yep. In fact, this could be a Work Skipper week if you could do that. Low temperatures the next several days in the 50s. No threat for frost anywhere in Michigan. And then as we get toward the weekend and ahead of that cold front, like I said, usually the warmest air comes in. We actually get to low temperatures in the low 60s by late in the week. So there it is. I promised you a fairly short update here, and it is because it's dry through the week, not much wind, sunshine mixed with smoke, and warm temperatures for this time of the year. Get out and enjoy it, folks. I always say that September is one of our best months weather-wise, and this week is definitely going to bear it out. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Take care. I'll see you again here tomorrow.